In 1947, the United States Congress passed the Federal Insecticide, Fungicide, and Rodenticide Act, also known as FIFRA. FIFRA's primary function is to provide the framework for our federal pesticide program. Under FIFRA, the Environmental Protection Agency is charged with the responsibility of oversight of all pesticide products for use in the United States. As provided for in FIFRA, EPA is responsible for both registering and licensing pesticides. This must occur prior to any pest control product reaching the marketplace. FIFRA ensures that both human health and environmental health are evaluated, and that federal precautions and restrictions are put into place to ensure that no unreasonable adverse effects occur from legal pesticide use. FIFRA gives the EPA the authority to stop the sale or use of a product at any time. FIFRA requires that all labeling and packaging must be consistent throughout the United States. It is important to note that FIFRA also allows for states to enact their own laws or rules that many times are more restrictive than FIFRA. The cornerstone of pesticide law is the label. The label is the law. If you hear me say that once, you'll hear me say it dozens of times throughout the course of this presentation. The EPA must follow FIFRA requirements and standards for pesticide evaluation and registration. EPA provides a pesticide label during the registration process. This label is a legal federal document or a legal federal law, and it must be followed. And effectively, it's a legal agreement between you, the user of the pesticide, the manufacturer of the pesticide, and the Environmental Protection Agency. Pause for a moment to consider the seriousness of that relationship. EPA is required to evaluate or reevaluate products that are already in the marketplace. This re-registration or reevaluation requires that older products meet current standards for pesticide registration. Because FIFRA is a federal law, any violation of the law or any label violation is subject to federal penalties.